Hello and welcome to the Residency Art section of the Notion for Artists template. Here we wanted to find and create a space where you can easily navigate the pieces you make in your artist residency, add a new piece and sort it to the appropriate residency, and stay on top of the progress both while you're in the residency and after. So this section's pretty straightforward. By the simple click of a button, you can add a piece to the studio workflow. Remember, when we're making pieces and managing our artwork, it's one database with different views. So the work we've done in the art ideas translates to our finished inventory. Here is part of the same workflow. We are just looking at a new art idea that has not been assigned to any residency. So this first view is just to help you sort, where is this piece going to go? Is it residency 1, 2, or is there a new residency? Easily sort the residency, for example, to residency 2. Look over here and follow its workflow just like you would through the studio practice. Click on that item and go through the different questions about ideas, progress, tracking, inspiration, thumbnails, just like you would in the studio practice section. Then, as you move through the process, you can see how you're doing. Make your artist residency process and journey easy and stress-free. So, if you have any questions, remember to check out our Notion for Artists circle community, the 2-Degree Art community, and we really hope this helps you better accomplish and succeed with the opportunities you're presented. Thank you. Here we've added the residency artwork section to the main getting into residencies area. To add a piece, and while you're working on a residency, simply click the Add Art for a Residency, and it'll start a new piece in the studio workflow. Simply drag it over and assign it to the corresponding residency. To change the name, these generic tags to the residency of choice, simply click on the tag and type in the name of the residency. Then go over to this view, click the colon, and change the name so that this view will match the name of the residency. The idea is to allow you to easily sort and see the work you are doing in a residency, manage not your entire studio workflow back home, but just your workflow for a given residency, and then, easily sort them at large. We want you to be able to see kind of what you're doing, how you're progressing, and then once you're done, what still needs to be finished from these different residencies. It also kind of gives you a little snapshot of how you were doing and what the residency was like. So we hope this helps you in your residency journey, and happy creating.